presidency. And please respect the presence our teacher, student, parent, and beloved schoolmates. Before I have a speech, I would like to introduce about my background first. My name is Lucrecia. I'm a student at Dalina International School, Level 5, Half-Time class. Today, I'm so excited to be selected to represent all the students who are studying English and express their personal interest in this meaningful event. Ladies and gentlemen, in this special time for all students who study at Dalina and Gilbandara International School, and first, school opening ceremony. Second, opening of the new academic year. Third, appointment ceremony. Fourth, certificate. Fifth, certificate award for outstanding and lucky draw of the year. So I would like to present about benefits of English. Do you know everyone what are important of English? The first, English is very important for education. English has become one of the majority used language to understand, learn and explain concepts from various fields of knowledge. The majority of instructional tools, material and tests are written in English. The global educational system and college all over the world need English as a foreign language. Second, English for travel purpose. As we all know, English has been named as the physical language of 53 countries and over 400 million people in the world speak English. The English language comes in handy for communicating with everyone when anyone travels around the world, be it for tourism, job opportunity, settlement, as you visit, etc. The third, English for communication. The most important function of a language is to allow people to communicate effectively. For many years, English has been the most widely known and valued language on the planet. In other words, English became an efficient tool for communicating with people all over the world. I was really lucky to be born the child of my parents. Both of them not only nurture me well, but also give me the opportunity. Mommy, Daddy, today I want to show and tell everyone in the space I have everything because I have you in my life. I love you forever. Mommy and Daddy, you can take your seat. Quality as the capital of life is priceless. I would like to thank all the teachers who trained me to have this day. In particular, Dalina International School is not a good school for education, but also to train me to have the courage to express my opinion and participate in society with confidence and high confidence. I can use the English well because Dalina International School. Study only your own language isn't enough because nowadays it's very hard if we don't know English. So please spend your time more to know English by studying. Therefore, as a student, the younger generation who are the era of bamboo must be determined to study hard. Listen to the good educational advice of teachers to become good children, good students, and become good citizens. In the future, that can our society to grow. Finally, I would like to wish all the presidency, principal, teachers, student, parents, and all the students in here get more healthy, success, property, and happiness. Happy New Year 2025 go to 2026. Thank you.
សូមអរគុណចំពោះបងប្អូនស្រីលោកអ្នកសា